Hello, this is Mrs. Hogg, and I know several of you have had print issues, connecting to printer issues. When you call technology, the first thing they're going to ask you is if you've updated. So here's a quick little tour of how to update. You're going to go to your computer. Down here in the white bar, you're going to type in check for updates, and it should automatically come up. Click on it. Now, it will say you are up to date. Last check 6:01 a.m. You're going to click on this blue line here. It says check online for updates from Microsoft. Ignore that. Click here. And technology will not help you with your printer issues until after they know you have been updated. And a lot of times the update do solve the problem. It may take a few minutes to check for online updates, and it may take a little while for updates to install. So my recommendation is to do this like right before you leave for the day. Let it do it overnight. Sometimes it's really quick, sometimes it takes a while. You will have to restart your computer for the updates to take full effect. So if you do leave it overnight, when you come in, make sure you fully restart. Even if the computer went to sleep, make sure it's powered all the way down, has a chance to finish installing everything. And as you can see, it's taken a few minutes for it to find, because this is dialing in to Microsoft. This isn't a Fort Worth ISD thing. This is a Microsoft thing. Of course, Fort Worth ISD does regulate which updates do come through sometimes, but it does take a minute. There we go. So even though I did this last week, I still have more updates, and as you can see, there are some Xerox updates, and you just have to wait. They will automatically download. It will take some time. If you have any further questions, please email or Teams or come by. Thank you.